Hi, my name is Bill Drafts and I'm the president of MtronPTI. Our company designs and manufactures crystal resonators, crystal filters, LC filters, planar filters, switch filters, and cavity filters, as well as oscillators in the form of clock oscillators, TCXO, VCXO, OCXO. We are a highly vertically integrated company where we take quartz bars and process them into crystal resonators and then use those resonators in crystal filters or crystal oscillators. We then take those products along with other products such as low noise amplifiers, waveguides, duplexers, multiplexers, attenuators, RF switches, and custom control circuitry and design them into an integrated microwave assembly or a multifunction module. All this work is done at one of our 2 design centers in Orlando, Florida or Yankton, South Dakota. Manufacturing is done at those 2 facilities, as well as in our low-cost facility in India. In aggregate, we have over 155,000 square feet of floor space, have been in business over 57 years, are publicly traded, and are AS9100D certified. We have over 700 years of RF experience on our team, and we utilize that experience to customize outstanding solutions from 10 megahertz to 50 gigahertz for our customers' demanding requirements. We primarily service defense, aerospace, space, aviation markets, as well as instrumentation, telecom, and industrial markets. Starting about 3 years ago, we started hearing from our customers that they are losing years of RF design experience with the retirement of their senior team members. At that point, we started offering services to help them outsource their RF design engineering work. Our design and development modeling uses the same circuit, electromagnetic, mechanical, thermal, and stress analysis tools as our customers. This allows our design modeling to be effortlessly integrated into our customers' system modeling at the very early stages of the development process. This design collaboration essentially makes MtronPTI's design team an extension of the customer's design team and allows our customers' resources to focus on their areas of expertise. MtronPTI focuses on the design concept, prototype, development, and transition to full rate production, resulting in a condensed design cycle, reduced risk, and expediting our customer's system to market faster. If you are challenged with attrition or simply want to compress your product schedule while minimizing risk, we invite you to utilize our RF experience and services. We look forward to exceeding your expectations and making MtronPTI your destination for RF components and solutions.